Meet Rocco, an African gray parrot who got kicked out of a UK sanctuary for swearing too much. His owner Marion adopted him, and that's when things got wild. Rocco figured out how to use her Amazon Alexa. Alone at home, he started ordering stuff. Strawberries, broccoli, ice cream, toys, and get this, a kettle. A kettle! Luckily, the orders just hit her shopping cart and didn't actually get delivered. But after it went viral, Marion had to add a PIN code to her account. African gray parrots are insanely smart. Rocco even played music through Alexa when he was bored. A swearing parrot who online shops? That might be the smartest bird on the planet.